Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. I welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. So let's see what interesting I'm going to draw in today's video. So let's first proceed with this scenery. Here I have drawn a tree and now I'm drawing house like this, and let's color this beautiful drawing. And now let's proceed with this drawing. First take a handprint. I'm going to draw a tree like this using my handprint. And now I'm going to draw a house, and this is done. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here at first I'm going to draw a tree like this. Now let's draw a beautiful house which is called a hut, and now let's draw these beautiful flowers in this way. And now I'm going to draw a beautiful lovely bird and these tree branches. Let's draw them, and now let's color this beautiful drawing. See how beautiful it is looking. Wow. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Let's first draw a circle. Here I'm going to draw a deer. So I'm going to make its eyes like this. Now the lower body, and this deer is wearing a bow. And now let's finish it with the tail. Now let's color this.